Alright, so today I want to show you how to change the image of what your material looks like. Last time I showed you how to make a deck just like that. But so for today, what we're going to do is we're going to go click on our wall that we like. So it works on anything, but so we'll go on the wall, and then in your properties here, you're going to edit type. Now a lot of times you're going to duplicate and make a new one. But for this one, so it shows you, so it'll pull down here, shows you the preview of what the wall is. So this is just my exterior wall. Shows you all the layers, but we're going to go here to structure and edit the structure. So now that shows you each layer, from top to bottom, all what it has up there, every gypsum and whatnot. But, so we're going to go here, so this is the outside, and we have wood dimensional lumber. But if you go here, and these little dots, you click on that. It'll bring you into what that is. So now in here, we have wood dimensional lumber, but maybe we want a better image, want something that looks nicer, more realistic. You can go to appearance, and in appearance, there's this thing called image here. Now I don't have the image that I downloaded before to go onto here, but when you click the image, you can actually go here and select an image that you would like. So there's all kinds of images and whatnot. You can download off the internet, but so you can enter your own image and then you can scale it to how you want. And then when you do that, you click done, and it will modify what that outside looks like. I'm gonna do that to all the layers, but what you use that for makes your place look a whole lot nicer. So works with anything because you can go into this little structural beam system and you can still, you can see what it is. Go to your doors, anything whatnot. But yeah, so that's how you change the graphics of things you want to make look different.